folks were greeted this morning by a little bit of winter. There was some freezing rain. Your car may have had a little coating of ice on, especially if you're north of I-64. It didn't last long. It wasn't enough to impede travel, but it was around nonetheless. And then through the day, it has just been rain. So on the MaxTrack Doppler here, you got a little snow trying to get going again on the other side of Louisville. This is all just rain, northern Lee County into now the western part there of Wolfe County. It's a little bit heavier at this point, back over toward Menifee County, back edges Irvin and Stanton. Hey, looky here, boys and girls. If you want to go up on top of Black Mountain, you can find some snow, but you got to go a few thousand feet up to find it. And the back edge of the rain right now is sitting around Science Hill and Somerset. So rest of the week, it's a wintry feel. It's going to remain cold. Tomorrow is just a nasty day, just not as wet as today. Friday's a little better. Christmas week is next week, and there's a little push of some moderation. And then Christmas Eve. It's shown up now for a couple of days in the modeling run. Dare we dream? The possibilities are there that a little touch of winter could come in just in time for Santa. So back to 6 o'clock this morning. We were talking the last couple of days about how just enough of a southerly wind to kick temperatures above freezing. Well, we started the day at freezing. That's why I had that little bit of freezing rain for a few folks. You can see the counterclockwise spin there. That's that little subtle low that we were talking about, the type that normally plague us when we try and do a winter forecast. Well, you saw that low head on up to the north. As it's gone that way, our winds have remained southerly and our temperatures have stayed in the upper 30s to around 40. But northwest winds now on the back side of that low, now we're starting to pull in some colder air. So some of this may catch up to whatever moisture is left, and you might see a renegade snowflake or two or a patch of freezing drizzle. 38 at the Bluegrass Airport. West wind comes in at 7. Your high today was actually 39. So from 6 o'clock this morning, there was your mix. You see how it pulled north of I-64 as the warmer air and the rain did continue today. Meanwhile, the big snow that you will hear Lester Holt talk about here in a couple of minutes along the East Coast. This thing is big, and it goes all the way back down to the mountains of southwestern Virginia. As this low continues to crank up, your heaviest snow will be along and just north of the big cities there, but the mountains of Pennsylvania, New York are going to see a whole lot of snow. There you see it. It's going to head on up to the north and away. Meanwhile, we're stuck in this backlash here. So the clouds will continue through the night and through the day tomorrow as well. And again, maybe just enough energy to spit out a flurry or a little patch of drizzle, with the snowfall numbers epic in areas north and west of New York and Philadelphia. Now, dare you dream? This is using the long-range modeling here. We're taking it from Wednesday into Christmas Eve. That could be a little itty-bitty snowmaker coming through for Christmas Eve. May very well last into Christmas Day. It's possible. What's also possible is the help you can give to the Salvation Army. All you have to do with your phone is text KETTLE to 91999. Rain ends, a couple snow showers or flurries, upper 20s tonight, mid 30s, and that's it tomorrow. 40 on Friday, showers on Saturday. Christmas Eve, there is your snowflake chance.